Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Cindy here, and today I'm gonna be doing this pretty subtle yellow sunset look on my channel, and if you want to see how this goes, please keep on watching. I'm starting off with this very nice transition color from ColourPop's Yes Please palette that has a lot of yellows and oranges. Basically just templating that all over my lid, just making sure that we have that base on the structure. I'm playing on the V's outer corner so that it looks more defined. Since I have a mono lid, you want to make sure that your base is on. I'm doing the same for my right eye. And then I'm going ahead and using the yellow shade from ColourPop as well, and placing the shade, the pigments, very carefully. Since I don't have a lot of lid space, I want to make sure that the colors pop in, and voila! And there you go. I told you this would be an easy tutorial. Put it on a fell slash and you're good to go. And that is it for my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new, and if you do, please like and comment down below on what other kinds of videos you want to see, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!